The next thing we have going on, I'm going to add this to the front. That's the pump right here. Whoops, I'm sorry. We're going to add it right here. What you will need for this modification is a length of Schedule 40, 1.5 PVC, male threaded one side, slip on the other, 1.5 fitting. A female 1.5 slip on one side, threaded on the other side, fitting. And then of course one of the nipples that was supplied with the pump and motor kit, or pump and filter kit. You'll need some PVC cement right there, some PVC cleaner, which is also there. You'll also need a 1/2 inch, 1.5 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch slip threaded tee. And I went ahead and picked up this boiler drain here. A hose pipe will fit here, and this gets threaded into the tee. It's a 1/4 turn ball valve, and there's the specifications on it. Let me see if I can get that to focus in for you. It don't want to focus. Now, take my word for it, it's a boiler drain. Okay, let me show you how to build this thing. And then I'll show you what we're going to do with it a little bit later on. But let's build this first. The first thing you want to do is measure the inside of this tee. Okay? And by measure, I mean from the end of the tee down to the little shoulder that's inside there. And this tee, it's about, I'll give it 1.25 inches. Okay? Grab you one of the fittings, and that is about 3/4 inch. So I got 1.25 inches plus 3/4 inch, that's 2 inches. It will take an 1.5 inch or 1.75 inch piece of PVC pipe, which is this, to connect these two together without any space between them. Let me show you. First thing you want to do is clean the outside of the PVC pipe. Now, since I need 2 of these, I can go up 3 inches on this cleaning. You want to get all the writing off. Make sure it's nice and clean. So up and down, clean it off. What this does is it preps the PVC pipe nicely, so the glue can work properly. That's nice. Next thing you want to do is measure 1 3/4 inches back. Make yourself a little mark with a pencil. That's your cut line. Now remember, we're going to be doing this twice. ahead, put on your saw, line up, cut line with your laser, or if you don't have a laser, bring down the saw to the cut line. Brace it in. Make a cut. Clean off all the stuff and set that aside. Make another one. The next step is cleaning off the 1.5" by 1.5" by 1/2 inch T. That's as easy as just doing that. Do it on both the 1.5" sides. I'm sorry. Do it on 1.5". Do it in the 1.5" part. Don't do the 1/2 inch part. This is what I'm trying to say. The next step is we want to go ahead and glue these pieces into here. You don't need a lot of glue for this. That, you really want to go halfway up on this now. Push this in, turn it over, all the way down. Okay? Might be a little bit too far. Yeah, it's set. And then you do the same thing to the other side. You don't need a whole lot of glue. After you get done gluing the pieces, included in your pump filter kit is a roll of Teflon tape. Don't forget to use it. It's very important. It will seal up the threads for you. Okay, the next step in this process is to take a male threaded 1.5" and go ahead and apply your Teflon tape to the thread and put it on here, onto the pump. What happens is the water comes in here from the pool, goes into what's called the hair trap. There's a little plastic pre-filter in here. That catches hair, prevents it from going into the filter. Comes in here, goes into here, into this housing, and then it goes into here, then it'll go into your filter. What we want to do is we want to put this little unit that we're assembling here, right on here between the filter and the pump. So put your Teflon tape on. And the proper way to put Teflon tape on, you may know this already, but for those who don't know it, always put the Teflon tape on the thread in the direction that the thread is going. Okay? Go in the direction that the thread is going. So here's the thread where it starts. Just take your thumb. Take your thumb. Thumb, hold it on there. You don't want to stretch it really tight, but you want to stretch it tight enough where it'll be a nice snug fit on there. And bring it around. I'd say go 2 times before moving up. Go around 2 times before moving up, and don't move up real far because you want this to be covered pretty well. And then when you get to the end, all you gotta do is just pull. It'll break. Take this, smooth it out, and you're done. The next step is putting this nipple onto your pump. Screw it down by hand. You might have to take your cover off. And when it gets snug, use properly sized channel locks and tighten it down the rest of the way. Now, you don't want to go crazy on this. This is just PVC pipe. Nice snug fitting will do. I'll get that thread tape in there. Try to set it so there's a flat here so you can put your cover on your hair trap without having it interfere with your nut. Okay? Next step is putting T assembly onto your nut. Now the reason why I put the nut on there first is because I wanted to make sure that this part of the T, the threaded part of the T, the 1/2 inch threaded part, is facing forward. Okay, so that's the reason why I waited to assemble this like this. You take the T and your glue. Don't put a lot of glue on there because it'll run down inside. Apply it to both parts. Put it down, snug it in. For a couple seconds and it's good to go. See? Just like that. Now you have your the other side right here, which is where this goes on. The original part that's supposed to go here. Clean it off. Blow on it, it'll help it dry faster. And then you go ahead and put your glue on the outside here. And on the inside here. Don't need a whole lot. Spin it on, push it down. That'll seal up real nice. Hold it for a couple seconds until it's dry. Add a little bit of that cleaner. No, that's glue. Okay, that's good. That's it. Just assembled that. Now the next item will be one of the nipples that comes with the pump motor set. Just like you did down here, you want to put Teflon tape on. trying to do this stuff with the camera is a lot different than doing it not with the camera. I try to make sure that you can see what's going on here. You go around twice. Make sure there's plenty of Teflon tape. And then you slowly go up. And just so you know, there is little O-rings that goes along with these. See the O-ring? That helps seal up this surface here. At least it does when it's used down here. I don't know what it's going to do here. We'll see what happens. Screw it down. Use your channel locks to finish tightening. Again, this doesn't have to be tightened really, really tight. Okay. Again, we're using Teflon tape as the sealer. A couple times, pull it so it breaks, flatten it out. This boiler drain will go here. I want the orientation to be like this. Insert that in there, screw it in. See what these channel locks can do here. Remember I said I wanted this to be turned up like this. So I think I can go another turn on this. Maybe. Let's see. Go. I'm gonna make it just like that. Okay. This boiler drain, when the handle's like this, horizontal, it's closed. When it's up, it's open. Closed, open. That's all you gotta remember right now. Okay, next, we're gonna take this thing outside.